Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of resetting your iPhone for a fresh start. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing your device for a new user, a reset can help bring your iPhone back to its factory settings. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Back up your data. Before resetting your iPhone, it's crucial to back up your data to avoid losing important information. You can back up using iCloud or iTunes. Using iCloud. 1. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. 2. Go to Settings. Your name. iCloud Sheet. 3. Tap on Say iCloud Backup. 4. Select Backup Now and wait for the process to complete. Using iTunes. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. 2. Open iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. 3. Select your device when it appears. 4. Click on Hash Backup Now. Step 2. Sign out of iCloud. To ensure that your iPhone is completely reset and you remove your personal data, sign out of your iCloud account. 1. Go to Settings. Your name. 2. Scroll down and tap Sign out. 3. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn off. 4. Choose the data you want to keep a copy of on your iPhone and tap Sign out. Again. Step 3. Reset your iPhone. Now it's time to reset your iPhone. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on a General. 3. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. 4. Tap on Erase all content and settings. 5. If prompted, enter your passcode. 6. Confirm that you want to erase your device by tapping Erase iPhone. Step 4. Set up your iPhone. Once your iPhone has been erased, it will restart and display the setup screen as if it were new. 1. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your iPhone. 2. Choose your language and region. 3. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. 4. Decide whether to restore from a backup or set up as a new device. Step 5. Finalize setup. Finish the setup process by following the remaining prompts. You'll configure Face ID or Touch ID, choose your settings, and download your apps from the App Store if you opted to set up as new. Don't forget, if you want to keep your data safe, remember to regularly back up your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tricks.